So here I am. I drained my oil. I put the car to temperature. Got the car up to temperature. Um, Drained the oil. Changed the filter. Put in back a cheap filter because I get the Wix XP filters for my cars, and those are a little bit more expensive than the cheap ones. So I got some cheaper ones. And now I put the V&G engine cleaner in it, and now gotta rev it up to 3,000 RPMs and flush that oil. So yeah, like I said, the engine was really crusty, dusty, grind. Oh my god, it was bad. And so it doesn't sound bad right now. There's no low oil, what do you call that? Low oil pressure light on. So right now I'm good. And I'm waiting. I gotta wait another 35 minutes at 3,000 RPMs. Flush it again. And then run the cleanser for 20 minutes. The rinse, and then run the oil, change it, filter it, all that stuff, and then run the oil and put the additive in. So I'm gonna make a video on that when I'm done. The oil, it wasn't that old. It was maybe about 1,000 miles old. The oil that I had before I changed it, before I put the cleaner, and that was black. It was black. It was black. So yeah, this needed that. So I'm trying to see if this works. If I need a new engine, I'll let you guys know. All right.